And my friends, this is Ian over at the Buildabizonline introductory video for our autoresponder program. Now, just before you get started, if this is the first time you've come here, please read this. And then you will know the little rule that we have. And that is, this is a bonus tool. It was an afterthought. And it should have been the main tool because it's important that we build our lists. It should have been the main program and everything else added onto it. But if I added this autoresponder onto Buildabizonline, it will corrupt the database. So we've got two separate programs, Buildabizonline and the autoresponder. So if you do downgrade or your subscription fails for a number of days, then you will lose this bonus. You'll have to start all over again. So you don't want to do that. Now then, I'm going to show you the members area. So we're going to start on this top line. And the reason we put these up there is because they've got drop-down menus. Can you see that? We don't need to do it on all these other ones here, just these top ones. So if you want a nice, simple, basic campaign in the autoresponder, then this is the training that you need. Okay? So there's just two steps to creating your first campaign, and in any campaign, that is. So we show you how to create your first campaign in this video, and then adding messages to your campaign. So that's the two fundamental parts. This one is just an addition, because when you are using autoresponders or email marketing, then you want to avoid some spam words that will put your messages into people's spam folder. Okay, so there's some hints and tips on this link here. You want them, all your messages, to go in the inbox. So that will help. Later on, if you want to get more advanced, we've got some advanced tools down here. Okay, more about that later on when we cover advanced. Okay, and there's the training for it. So that's that one. So that's that line. Now then, this line here is all to do with your account here at the autoresponder. So you've got, if you click on this link, it will always bring you back to this home page, this members home page with the video on it. Okay, you got your profile there, so your emails there, your name's in there, and so on and so forth. If you want to use our HTML editor, then you can click on there. That will open up in a new window, and you'll be able to use that. And also we've got some shared campaigns. Now I must click on that, so let me just do that. There's 4 in there at the moment. I need to add some more, but I've not got round to doing that. But we've got 4 in there. This is the Buildabizonline one here. So yes, you can share your campaigns and you can copy other people's campaigns if they've given you permission, which we have here. Okay, more about that in the training. So all you need is a autoresponder ID and a passcode. Okay, and this is what this page looks like, the capture page. And I get quite a few people sign up to this. This is an advanced tool, by the way, because what you've got here, they think it's a splash page. So they click on it and then it tells them, you're 50% complete. Please fill in your details. Okay, so it's just a little trick. It's not a nasty trick, but it's a little trick. Now, this is what the affiliate marketing ID is. And these are great niches, by the way. Okay, Buildabizonline is a good niche because everybody needs tools to build their affiliate marketing. And there's some affiliate marketing ideas. This is what that capture page looks like. Very simple. Very, very simple. So let's close that down. This is what the list building strategies looks like. And this one was built by Martin, one of our programmers or developers as they call them nowadays. And this one was one that I found some time ago and is a very good niche to get into. Anything to do with weight loss is a great niche to get into, and that's that one. Okay, so that's what it looked like. So later on, if you want to copy these 4 campaigns, you can do that. Right, this is the shared campaigns, and this is Buildabizonline ad copy. Now you don't need to, in other words, what it is a list of subject lines and letters, but you don't really need to use that if you're going to copy our campaign. But it's there if you want to, okay? And each time you finish with your members area, what I'd like you to do is to click that button and log out, okay? Now then, there's just 4 links here to do with your campaigns. So the basic training there, first of all, it will tell you to click on to your campaigns. Now, I've got 4 campaigns in here, and this is our team build over at Buildabizonline. Okay, so by clicking on campaigns, you'll see the campaigns within that you've created. Okay, so, and if you ever wanted to look at your capture page for this campaign, let me click on that and I'll show you that. That is the one, and that is a 2-step. This is what we call 2-step as well. So they click on there thinking it's a splash page, but it takes them to this. I really ought to colour that orange, blue. But there you go. Okay, so that's that one. If I wanted to change my template at any time, and this applies more to our simple, then we can do that by clicking on there, and you'll see an array of different ready-made templates. Okay, we should be adding some more to them now that we've got all this modifying for the members area done. Okay, so we should add a few more in there. You can see that on this particular campaign, I'm using a blank template because I'm using advanced tools. Okay, more about that later. Do not get daunted. You're all right. Okay, so the campaigns is there. When I go to this one, this is the settings for a campaign. And again, this is HTML form code. So I can click on that and I can copy that and I can place it on any other page that I own, a website, a blog, or something like that. And I can pick up subscribers for this campaign, the Team Buildabizonline, from other sites that I own by just copying that. And this is where you share your campaign. So you click on there and you have to OK it, and then you click share my campaign. It will come up with the campaign ID and the password, and you can pass that on to other people, which you have already got in this shared campaign just here. Okay, what other buttons have we got in there? We can import shared campaigns by clicking on there, and you will have 2 boxes, the ID and the passcode. Okay, so you just put them in there, and you click retrieve campaign. Now that will add all the pages that I've created in the campaign. It will add all the emails, but then you will have to go into the emails to make sure that your username is in there and not mine. We are going to be altering that very shortly and putting some codes in there, so it will make sure that it is yours and copies your name instead of mine, and the affiliate IDs and so on. We're going to be sorting that out very shortly. I need to have a word with our second developer, Rowan. Right, so I believe that is it. Other than that, once you click that, you deleted your campaign. I believe it is set, so don't go and click on it. Please don't go and click on it. But I believe it is set. If I click on delete, it won't delete it straight away. It'll ask you if you are sure you want to delete that campaign. And then that will be gone forever. Okay? Right, next one. This is where you add the messages for your campaigns. Okay, so very simple to use. More training on that. These are the messages that I've got in there, and I can click on the and edit them, and so on and so forth. Okay. You can alter the position that they go out in and things like that. Right. Now, next, your subscribers. I'm not going to click on this one, but this is where you'll find all the subscriber details for each campaign. So there'll be names in there and email addresses that I don't want you to see. Okay. And in this particular link, this is where you can mail your subscribers. So let's say you've got 100 people in a campaign, 100 subscribers in a campaign. You can broadcast a message out there to all of them. Okay. And I think that is about it for this particular. So let me click on there for this particular intro to our autoresponder program. Now, please leave a comment. As I've said, you can hit the subscribe, and if you hit the bell, you will get notified every time I have a training video, and that's a good thing. But please comment or like or dislike, it's entirely up to you, the video that you're watching now and any future videos. So this is Ian saying thanks very much for listening, and bye for now.